Okay, this is a video demonstration of how to hang the lampshade. Imagine this is the pendant hanging from the ceiling or from a plug, or anyway, you basically got the bulb here. Now find the centre of your lampshade. This is the centre here. It has five corners meeting. Okay, so grab the shade. So this is hanging from the ceiling. You have to poke the bulb into one of these gaps. That's it. Into the gap. And then pull the cable around to the centre and push all these flaps down. Do it all the time. Okay, so bulb, push through the gap. Don't undo any pieces. Slide the cable around and into the centre here. And then you'll find